ये न्यूज को पेश करते हैं हैदराबाद होम अप्लायंसेस।
కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం పార్లమెంటు వర్షాకాల సమావేశాల తేదీలను ఖరారు చేసింది. వచ్చే నెల 21 నుంచి ఆగస్టు 12 వరకు ఈ సమావేశాలు జరుగుతాయని పార్లమెంటరీ వ్యవహారాల శాఖ మంత్రి కిరణ్ రిజిజు ప్రకటించారు. మొత్తం 23 రోజుల పాటు సాగే ఈ సమావేశాల్లో పలు కీలక బిల్లులను ప్రవేశపెట్టడంతో పాటు జాతీయ భద్రత, ఆర్థిక స్థితిగతుల వంటి అంశాలపై చర్చ జరిగే అవకాశం ఉంది.
Decided to convene the monsoon session of the Parliament on July 21st and it will end on 12 August. The Cabinet Committee on Parliamentary Affairs has decided the dates and we will be sending the proposal to the Rashtrapati Ji for summoning of both the houses. All the important matters with the political parties or individual members can be brought out, and we want the monsoon session to be very smooth as well as productive. And I would like to request all the political parties to support in running the house smoothly so that we can transact the business as well as conduct the house in an appropriate manner. With regards to the impeachment motion against the High Court Judge Yashwant Verma, I have initiated discussion with the political parties. Most of the major political parties have already been told, and we have sought a collaborative effort where all the political parties should come together and jointly move the motion. Government feels that the matter related to corruption, and this is a matter related to corruption of a High Court sitting judge. This is not one party's political agenda. It is a stand of every political parties to fight against the menace of corruption, whether it is in judiciary or any other space. So government would like to take all the political parties on board and then initiate the impeachment motion. I will reach out to some remaining smaller parties also so that everybody is on board on this important matter.